Hey everyone, Nick Griot for Griot's Garage. As we round the corner for our 37th year in business, we're extremely proud to remain a family-owned American business. With that in mind, we're pretty excited about the major milestone our country is experiencing this July by celebrating its 250th birthday. We're so excited that we turned our American ingenuity up to 11 and are bringing a very special product to the American car care consumer. Introducing the Boss Foam Cannon 250. Quite simply, a tool that actually deserves the name Cannon and creates the most excessive display of foam imaginable, while saving you time during your critical foaming steps. The Boss 250 takes everything we've learned from developing our excellent foaming tools and cranks up the intensity in an excessively American way. The main tooling of the cannon itself is handcrafted by master blacksmiths in Virginia and features a triple-plated chrome finish on its barrel. And just like our other cannons, its bore is rifled for accuracy and additional foam agitation. This beast ain't light, but it comes standard with a custom carbon fiber carriage that has swiveling and locking casters for ease of positioning. It's a beautiful piece, but its function is really what sets it apart. The foam output on this baby is massive. No more need for precise, deliberate motion, constant adjustment, and tired wrists. Just prime, point, and fire. To use the Boss 250, simply load the ignition chamber with 4 ounces of your favorite Griot's Garage wash, connect your pressure washer hose to prime, and light the fuse. Then step back and enjoy the full coverage of a true foam cannon. The amount of foam produced easily covers an entire standard size vehicle in one single discharge. But if you've got a larger vehicle, like a boat, I suggest priming the cannon with the shot across the bow load, which is 12 ounces of wash. While the cannon's primary purpose is to pre-treat vehicles with a safe foaming step, it has other uses as well. While most foam cannons draw the attention of nosy neighbors looking for free car wash services, the Boss 250 tends to keep the curious at bay. Simply position it at the end of your driveway after use and wash in peace.
That's not right.
Likewise, a cannon with this much potential can be used for really big jobs, like washing your home. Check this one off your honey-do list and save money by loading your cannon with the shock and awe load, or 48 ounces of wash. And step back and watch our dual layer foam technology remove years of grime from your siding, windows, and roof. Your HOA will be envious of your pristine possessions, and they'll probably also look the other way as you justifiably use the Boss 250 to return the lawn blessings that your neighbor's dog left that your neighbor swore he'd pick up sometime soon. The Boss Foam Cannon 250 is the only real foam cannon on the market, and we're proud that we can introduce this American-made product to bolster our premium foam cannon lineup for America's 250th birthday. We're only making 250 units, and you must order now to ensure July 4th availability. Thank you for watching, and happy April Fool's Day from all of us here at Griot's Garage.